Meet Levy. Levy is an architect. Architects design buildings and structures like bridges. When architects design buildings, they have to read about building codes. Codes are rules that architects must follow to ensure a building will be safe for people to be in. For example, building codes tell architects how tall walls need to be in a house. Codes also tell architects how many smoke detectors need to be installed. Building codes also tell architects how to design buildings in places where there are natural disasters. A natural disaster is an event like a flood or a tornado that can cause a lot of damage. Right now, Levy is designing a house in a place where there is a lot of hailstones. Hailstones are clumps of ice that fall during a severe thunderstorm. Hail can be small, about the size of a pea, but it can also be huge, like the size of a golf ball. The larger and harder a hailstone is, the more damage it causes to buildings, especially roofs. Today, Levy is designing the roof for a new house. Levy knows that there are building codes about how to design a roof in a place where there are a lot of storms and ice. Because the codes can be very long, he decides to refresh his memory and read about them on his iPad. There is a code that says roofs need to be made with strong materials that are waterproof. That way, the roof will not get damaged when there is hail or a big storm. Levy needs to choose materials for the roof. He has a few different options to choose from. The first option is shingles. Shingles are made out of a few different materials, but the main ingredient is asphalt, like we see on a paved road. Shingles are used often, but they can crack and fall apart over time. If the shingles crack, water can seep in underneath the house. Levy's second option is using metal. Roofs made out of metal are very durable and can last 70 years or more. However, metal roofing can be expensive and cost a lot of money. Levy's third option is using tile made of concrete. Concrete tiles are very strong and won't get damaged by hail or wind easily. However, they can chip over time. This means that they can break and would need to be fixed. Levy decides to FaceTime Erica, another architect, and ask his opinion about what materials to use for the roof. Erica suggests that I use metal to build the roof. Even though it is an expensive material, it will last a long time and won't be damaged if there is hail. Levy is excited that he has designed the roof. His next step is to design the windows and doors. Now it's your turn to be an architect. Let's go on an adventure.